Economy news now. What kinds of things should you be watching for in the year 2013 when it comes to your money? Financial advisor Kurtis Pearson is here with some answers.
And Kurt, let's start with the fiscal cliff. The fix is in, but the fiscal fight in Washington, it's far from over.
No, we are kind of analyzing what happened now that it's over, and we're kind of taking a step back, and we kind of see these types of events as an ongoing reality, and I think the stock market is beginning to realize that as well. Definitely a nice relief rally yesterday. Usually the first trading day of the year, you get a nice run like we had yesterday, so some of it may be a seasonality and cyclical type of a move. But definitely relief that, okay, we kind of know what is going on now with tax code at least. Now it's time for the new fight, which will be all about spending cuts and that impact on the economy.
Okay, so talking about New Year's resolutions, a lot of folks make them about money. What resolutions do you think, that's kind of a general statement, what's a good kind of smaller objective people should focus on?
Well, one definitely related to like the fiscal cliff is this kind of noise, I'll call it, is going to be around our finances for the foreseeable future. So it's very important not to interpret our own financial status through the eyes of the current headlines, which means doing a complete net worth statement, getting back to the basics, the facts, and making non-emotional and very logical decisions. One specific area for people to set a resolution in is to make sure that they are evaluating their investment portfolio, their 401k statements, and all of that on a very regular basis. There were some nice gains last year in some asset classes. Very important to probably take those gains off the table, rebalance the portfolio, because with these kinds of cliff events hanging out there, volatility will be the name of the game for the new year.
Okay, quickly, stock market still the place to be?
In moderation. We definitely want to take a look at those dividend-producing investments and continue to capture some return regardless of what happens to share price movement, and that's especially true in the stock market, I would say.
All right, thank you so much, Kurt, for coming in. You can get a hold of Kurt at Compass Financial in West Des Moines. His phone number there, 327-1020.